Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Now today we're going to be looking at how to add transitions in Capcut. Now the first thing you have to do is launch your Capcut and then start a new project and import the video. Now I've done all of that. I believe you all have to do that if you want to add transitions. That means you've learned the basics. Now we're here. Next thing we're going to do is what to split your video. Because if you want to do a transition between two different clips, you need to split your video. To do this, hover your mouse over where you want to split. So let's say I want to split here. So click on the split here, or you can press the Ctrl and B on your keyboard. And then here it is. You click on it, highlight it, right click, and let's see if you can do that from here. So there's no option here for our transition from here. So let's do the normal way then. Up here, you have the option for transition where we have media, audio, text, stickers, effect. We also have transition. So what we want to do now is to add transition. So as you can see, you have to browse through the various ones. So this is transition. Click on it. We have different transitions. We have overlay, we have camera, we have live effects, blur, we have glitch, basic, distortion, slide, mark, split, MG, we have social media. So right now these are the ones on the overlay that you can see here. So there are many of them. So you can keep scrolling to add to see more and more. Then we also have camera. Other camera, we have different ones too. You keep scrolling down, you keep getting more and more. Then alright, so if we don't go through this whole process here, just from the beginning, open the scroll down to show you every single transition under each and every aspect of the transition. So as you can see, if I keep going down, it's moving nice and blur. If I keep scrolling down, it's to move to glitch, from glitch to basic, from basic to distortion, all the way down. So the network, as you can see, nice and glitch. So anyway, you choose the transition you want and you drag it. Now I want the perfect one. Let's say I want to use this one. So click on it to download automatically. Let's see it here. So my network is really slow today. Don't know why. It's downloading right now. So once it's through downloading, I'm going to drag the chosen transition and drop it between the two video clips. If I have two different video clips, but in this case I have a split, so I'll drag it and drop it at the split point. Then another thing you can do, okay, that's it. So let's drag it, and it's there at the split point. The next thing we're going to do is we can adjust its duration if we want. So this is for the duration. You can see it by the right hand here, so you can go wide or increase the duration. Like now 5 seconds is the highest I have, 0.5 seconds is the highest I have here. The next thing, let's preview the video. We added transition to ensure it looks as we intend. So let's play it and see it looks as intended. So that's it. Very nice. And next thing I'm gonna do is, since we're satisfied, just simply export the video to our desired location. Like clicking on export and then saving the video and export it to the desired location. It's as simple as that. Now, too many transitions can make your video look cluttered and unprofessional, so please don't use too many. Use it sparingly. Then choose transitions that match the style of your video. For example, use smooth and subtle transitions for professional videos, and use dynamic transitions for energetic or creative videos. Also try out various transitions to find the ones that best suit your video. By following these steps, you can easily add smooth and stylish transitions to your videos using Capcut on your PC. It's as simple as that. I'm very sure you found this video helpful. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and click notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye for now.